All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry for shouting in your ears, but yeah, good morning and welcome to today's live trading session. Um, and yeah, today let's get straight into the daily bias. I don't want to be yapping too much, but anyways, so we have an SMT from yesterday. We have a very external, prominent SMT at the previous daily low. So if I go on the daily chart, you can see how it looks like on the daily. So we have an SMT with these wicks. After we swept this buy side, we tapped this 4-hour gap, and then we have both previous daily highs on both ES and NQ. Let me just make sure I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording. Perfect. Um, yes, so we have previous daily high. I think for me personally, previous daily high is the current draw because we swept sell side. We put in an SMT, right? We're disrespecting, as you can see, we're just inverse this 4-hour gap to the upside. Now we are trading inside this 4-hour right now, which is, you know, a very strong area. So, I gotta watch out for that. I don't want to be married to my bias. As you can see as well, this is sitting like perfectly in equilibrium of the range, right? So we already had the retracement towards the equilibrium of the range. So that can pretty much say, okay, there are two options. Either we're going higher, for example, to previous daily high, or the SMT and the sell side sweep has already did the move. Like it already played out its part. It already did what it wanted to do. And from here, we can go lower. Again, I'm a day trader. I'm a scalper. I care about taking 30, 40, 50 points and I'm done. So I don't care if price retraces all the way down here again. I don't care if price reaches all the way up here, right? I care about catching a 30, 40, 50 point move and that's it. Like I'm done for the day. So right now, again, yesterday we tapped into this 4-hour, put in a SMT, swept sell side, rejected. Like we had a very nice long over there. Unfortunately, I took a loss yesterday. As you can see, I uploaded it yesterday to the channel, so you can see that I'm down $104 on the account. It's nothing too crazy, just small drawdown. Hopefully today we'll catch a banger. As you can see, we have 10 a.m. news, Jolt's job openings, which is a very strong, um, data release. Like this is a very strong data report, so we gotta watch out for 10 a.m. news. I'm pretty sure the candle is gonna be, it's gonna be a nice candle. Let's just say it like that. By the way, I got a haircut yesterday. So what do you guys think? Do I look sexy? Yeah, I do. I know I do. Um, Anyways, yeah, so pretty much my daily bias right now, as you can see, we're respecting bullish PDRAs, disrespecting bearish. So my overall bias right now is gonna be bullish until previous daily highs. So I am expecting this 4-hour gap to not hold, right? Um, and in about 45 minutes after news release, we probably will have this 4-hour gap, and then we can look for some sort of a retest to this area. So this is like an order block, CISD, whatever you all call it. Sorry, this is not really the CISD on the 4-hour. Not gonna lie, but this is like an order block. So um yeah, so this is a good area to be looking for shorts from. I mean long, sorry. We do have this 1-hour gap over here, and we have this hourly gap over here. So again, in order to take price higher, I definitely need to see us going lower first. So I do want to see some sort of retracement lower, something like this, and taking this higher from here. Um, yeah, I will not be taking longs from here because we are inside this 4-hour. And yeah, even though my draw, is it equal lows as well? Equal highs? I don't think so. No, it's not equal highs, but again, it's still like a strong draw. This is the previous daily high from yesterday. As you can see, it's actually a perfect like buy model. So as you can see over here, we had sell side of the curve, and here we have buy side of the curve. So we're now gonna complete the buy model over here. And yeah, pretty much draw is previous daily high. Right now we are trading inside a bearish 4 hour though, so I'm gonna stay, I'm gonna have to wait patiently. We have equal highs over here. I mean, I don't really love equal highs that are like two candles one after the other. I prefer them more spread out. Um, but yeah, it's still something, right? So yeah, just staying patient. Let's see, market opens in about 13 minutes, so we'll wait for like some sort of, manipulation lower and then a move higher. I will not be taking longs like this high in the leg. I want to see a retracement lower towards this area right over here. We have these equal lows as well. So again, another reason not to take any longs before we sweep these equal lows. Um, and yeah, in terms of London and Asia, the overnight session, we traded back into this 4 hour. We have this 15-minute hourly 4 hour gap. So Asia traded back into it. London kind of as well, didn't really do anything. But London has respected the consequent encroachment of this wick. So as you can see, this acts as a PD array. So both London and Asia are sponsored. So I'm not expecting a move lower towards these areas, right? I am expecting a move higher towards these equal highs, sweeping those buy side areas and potentially, taking previous daily highs. So this is my daily bias for today. I hope that you kind of have a good understanding now of how I look at the markets, how I do my daily bias analysis. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys when market opens and we see anything interesting. All right. So market opened 1.5 minutes ago. We have dropped, just going down right now, swept the equal lows. Um, yeah, right now we do have an SMT, but price is currently pushing strong to the downside, but I am gonna be more bullish. So let's see if we tap this lower hourly gap. Right now we do have an SMT. So we have this SMT right now inside this gap. Um, yeah, honestly, I might just take this 30 seconds, not gonna lie to you. I know it's a little bit risky. No, I'm gonna actually, so pretty much what I wanna look for is, so we have this minute, the 1 minute. So I might want to see like a move higher. So something like this, and then a move lower, and then take the trade higher. Like I want to see more manipulation. Um, 2 minute, 3 minute. We don't have any gaps to target above. This actually, not gonna lie, this might be a good long. It's just like, yeah, we inverse this, but I don't want to take this. Like I want to wait for more manipulation. So I want to basically, so right now, I mean, this might work, yeah? I mean, this might work. This does look really good. Just, I want to wait for more confirmation, I guess. I want to see another manipulation move lower before taking this. Um, I know we do have the SMT. We swept the equal lows. We had the 30-second inversion, but again, it's not the highest time frame inversion in the leg. So if it runs, man. There's nothing I can do about it. I want to see like another manipulation lower first. Wow, ES is rallying higher. Let's hope we get some sort of a retrace. Yeah, that means we have a bearish SMT now, which is good because I want to see price head lower. You see, so this is a moment where I kind of had like some sort of like FOMO. I felt like FOMO start to, creep in. Again, the trade might work, ES is pumping, kind of pumping so far. But you see, like there's not like after an inversion, I want to see like more um delivery, you know what I mean? Like as you can see, if I took this, I would have been stopped out right now, you know? So good discipline, good discipline. I want to see us go lower. Potentially enter this hourly gap below us. So you see we have this hourly plus 15-minute gap. Let's hope we get it. Um, but right now, honestly, we got the 2-minute. We don't have the 3-minute. So we got this 2-minute gap. So actually, let's see. We might actually get an inversion here, which is the highest time frame in the leg. So that's a good trade for me. We have good risk to reward here. But right now we're respecting this gap, so nothing. All right, so we are heading lower. I want to see like another. I want to see this push lower, sweep the low again. We have a bearish SMT now, which sucks, but it's a tiny one. Like my draw is still higher. You know what I mean? So let's see. I mean, again, if we get the 2-minute inverse, I'm gonna take this. Um, but I do want to see us go lower first. So I hope we get it. Let's see what price wants to do. Right now, we're just being patient, waiting for price to tell me what it wants to do. As you can see, there's not enough like actual displacement higher. So it is likely that we'll get a resweep of the low. And potentially, I want to see another SMT being put in. Hopefully tap this lower gap as well. So I'm actually going to wait for that. So what I'm going to do is delete this and wait for this. I want to see this get tapped. So this move will basically what happens is that this will be a retracement back into equilibrium and OT of the range, right? So this is a very good area to take longs from. I just need to get that tap. So, just stay patient. We have another SMT though. I'm not gonna take this long when we have this gap, hourly gap and 15-minute gap right here, like so close. So again, some people might be, FOMOing in right now. Again, if it runs without me, it runs without me. You know what I mean? Like I'm not gonna take a long when we have these gaps so close below us. And it's probably gonna hit them. So, let's see, let's see, let's see. But I really want to see this get tapped. We have this intermediate low, internal low as well. So this is like not bad at all. All right. Let's see where ES is. So again, ES is like bouncing right now. Yeah. Again, just staying patient. I don't care if it runs without me. I'm not gonna take shorts. I'm not gonna take longs, sorry, when we're so close. Like, look at the edge, like 2 points. And there's not even a 30-second gap to take here. So I'm not taking 15 seconds inversions. Um yeah. I want to see us go lower, man. I know we have another internal SMT over here. But yeah, just waiting, guys. Just waiting. Just waiting. All right, guys. So we got this 1 hour tap, 1 hourly gap tap, right? So we tap the gap. We have a tiny ass 30 seconds, bro. We don't have any higher time frame inversion, bro, which sucks. But okay,
Order
I'm in this
filled.
long. Okay, I'm in this long right here. Highest time frame inversion in the leg. Tap the hourly gap. Hopefully, we'll get a clean delivery higher now. I'm gonna go break even at this internal high. Right over here. And I am... All right, I'm gonna go break even. All right, perfect. Got that break even. I'm aiming for a 1 to 3 risk to reward over here. Hopefully we don't get stopped out of break even, bro. All right, please keep pushing higher. This was my break even point. All right. Now, after this trade, I'm done for the day no matter what. So even if I get stopped out of break even, I'm not going to look to re-enter anything. Well, and yeah, I'm in this trade. Let me just make sure I'm recording. I'm recording. Yes, everything looks good. And yeah, let's just wait for a good push. Stops at break even now, so you know we're good. Um, and yeah, let's just hope we get that strong push. We got this 5 minute gap over here, this tiny 5 minute. But I expect this to get, you know, ran through. I don't expect this to hold. But yeah, let's wait, boys. All right, like this, right? Great push, guys. If I put my on a green day, right? So I want to secure a winning day, so I'm gonna make that move my stop to like 2.8, $200. So I secure that winning day. Actually, the winning day is like, yeah, the winning day is like 150 now. So come on, keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing, baby. Right, keep pushing, baby. I don't want to move my stop too high right now. I want to leave like enough room for price, you know, to retrace. But this is a great push, guys. So hopefully we keep pushing higher now. No retracement, right? I want to see this keep going higher. Hitting final take profit. We're up $750. Audio 122. I'm gonna move it at least to like a 1-to-1, so at least I secure like 350 no matter what. Hopefully we get that push higher, bro. You know what? Just secure the winning day. Just secure the winning day. Honestly, I want to give this enough room. You see, this is where it kind of gets tricky because I wanna see this, like, I don't want to see this push lower. You know what I mean? Like, we're looking very, very good, but we tap this 5 minute gap right now, so we might get some sort of retracement. But again, I want to see us fucking move higher, guys. This is not looking. I mean, I don't want to see us retrace at all, guys. We have this 1 minute gap over here. But again, I want to see this inverse. I don't like this. I don't want to see us. I mean, worst case scenario, I'm gonna get like, you know. Well, I'm just holding this. I'm just holding this towards that final take profit. Please don't stop me out at the $200. Please keep pushing higher. I want to see us push higher. I need this gap to hold. I need this gap to hold.
Order filled.
Fuck, bro. Well, I secured a winning day. I was already up like 1-2, guys. should have closed it at like $700 profit. God damn. I mean, at least we secured a winning day. You know, we're back in profit on the account. Um, yeah, we're back in profit on the account. We made $200, so that's another winning day secured. But overall, yeah, I was up like $750, man. I was up $700. So, I should have closed it at a 1 to 2 on that 5 minute. Not gonna lie to you. That was kind of stupid on my part. I should have been more aware that we might get. Oh my god, this is crazy, bro. Um, I might want to re-enter this. Not gonna lie to you. Nah, 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 nah. All right, let's just finish the day. All right, I lock myself out. All right, I'm not gonna trade anymore today. Right, I secured the winning day. I'm back in profit on the account. This will run higher, I'm pretty sure, but again, yeah, this is just a lesson to you guys. Just don't get greedy, Like, I was up $700 1 to 2 RR, and I decided not to close it. I decided to go for a 1 to 3, and yeah, I should have closed it. Honestly, should have closed it, but it is what it is. But good trade, great trade overall, great patient, good patience. You see, I waited for, look how it accumulated out like above this hourly gap, and then we had the manipulation lower, had the move higher. I just should have closed it at 1 to 2. Not gonna lie, I would have been up 700 on the day. So that's $500 that I wasted on the table, man, which honestly, it's kind of annoying, bro. It's annoying. It's annoying. It's annoying. It's annoying. But hey, I made 192, so that's another green day. I have 2 winning days out of the 5, and we're back in profit. Again, it's not. I should have closed it, bro. I should have closed it, man. Like, come on, bro. Fuck, fuck. This is. I hate it. 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 But yeah, man, it is what it is. Well, it is what it is. Yeah. So this was a trade. We bullish bias for the day. We had all this accumulation, waited for a manipulation move lower towards it, a discounted 15-minute and hourly gap. Um, Stayed patient, took the highest time frame inversion in the leg, which was this tiny 30 seconds. And then we got the big push higher, which was awesome. Went break even, secured the winning day. But overall, I should have closed at a 1 to 2 RR, man. I just got greedy. We had this 5 minute over here, so I should have been. Yeah, that's a mistake on my part. At least we made we made money back in profit on the account. But again, I should have been more. Yeah, I should have been smarter about this. We tapped the 5 minute instead of expecting it to just get this like inverted. I should have said, okay, 1 to 2 hour is enough, 700. So I could have been like up 580 now on the account. But it is what it is, man. I don't want to complain too much about making money today. This kind of sucks, but again, we made money. We have another winning day towards that payout, so we're good. Just gotta, be patient for tomorrow. I locked myself out just because, yeah, I don't want to be stupid. I made money today, so that's enough for me. Have my winning day secured, so I'm done for the day, and that's pretty much it. So thank you guys very much for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something from this. Don't be greedy like I got today. I got greedy, not gonna lie. And yeah, guys, it is what it is. I should really just stick to 1 to 2 RR, man. Like, should you know what? Okay, I'm making this a rule right now. From now on, every single trade I take is 1 to 2 RR. That's it. Like, I'm done. I'm not gonna take it to 1 to 3 unless like it's super, 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 super clear, super obvious that we're gonna go higher, and there's nothing like 5 minute gap stopping us. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I got greedy and I paid for it. I mean, yeah, I made money. Yeah, I had a winning day towards that payout. Yeah, I'm back in profit on the account. but still, I pretty much had $700 in profit already locked in, and I let it just go back to my winning day. Yeah, so unlucky. I mean, not unlucky. My mistake. I should have been more aware of that and more like, yeah, that was my mistake on my part. But it is what it is. Good day, good trading day overall. And yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. And thank you. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll like to see you in the next video. Peace.